them poses. Hey. Cute, right? Like the little fringes on the bottom. But the material is so nice and soft, guys. Oh my God, the material in this dress, and it's so nice and flowy. I like it, hey. I like it like that. I like it like that. Y'all already know a big girl can move. Hey, 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 hey. You already know a big girl can move. Hey, 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 hey. All right, y'all. Hey, y'all. We are outside of Ikea. This is the entrance to Ikea, guys. There's the Ikea sign right there. So we are going to Ikea. Say hi, y'all. So what we doing? Come on, guys. Yes, good. It feels good in here. Yes, it does. Hey. It'll be it. Yeah, it's so cute. Little setup. We are here, guys. We are here on the escalator. You love the escalator? My grandbaby said she loved the escalator. I'm still looking for some storage for his room. So I'll let y'all see what I get. Alright. Alright. I love these little setups here, guys. I love these little setups. Look at baby boy. Look at that little chair, y'all. Ain't that cute? He a little old for it, but ain't that cute, guys? That's so cute. Well, I like this coffee table. Look at this. And I got the end table for the lid. Look at this. Look cute. Yo, I thought these were so cute. You like these? Yeah, it's nice.
Okay,
but I want it should have been the same. The whole front thing. Cute. Y'all, look at that hunter green. I don't know if y'all can see it, but let me get up on it so y'all can see it. Look at this. That's pretty. Hunter green. Look, guys, I found some more vases. I gotta get me one of these. They're $2. Really cute. Yo, I'm still here at Ikea. I was going to show y'all. I have a mirror exactly like this one, guys. But mine is breaking down. But I need a new one. I need a new one. Now they have a bunch of them up there on the wall. You can see. They have a bunch of them up there, but I don't know the price. Look at these. These are really cute. They 79 cents, guys. They weigh nothing. But they do cost 79 cents. They got the 99-cent toilet brush. Because the ones I got in my bathroom now, they got to go. Okay? They definitely got to go. Oh. Okay, wait a minute. I found them. Oh, look, guys. They're only $4.99. Look. $4.99. I'm going to get me another one. Look. See? I'm going to have to get me one of these. Yep. I like this kitchen right here. See-through cabinet. That's beautiful, guys. See-through cabinet. Yeah. There go my baby. Pulling the cart. We pushing the cart. Having fun pushing the cart. Ain't that our cart right here? Oh, they look like Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa. Awesome art. Yes. When you get home, you will eat.
And they got the Van Gogh.
Then you just eat before we left. Like, y'all kids be tripping.
Capping.
Y'all know every time they take the kids out somewhere, and you shopping, they always get hungry. Now the boy just ate before we left home. We almost done though, and then we gonna be on our way home. On our way home, they got some nice frames in here. I like these frames. I like these frames, especially this one right here. That's really cute. These are shadow boxes. I think these are like shadow boxes. You put stuff in them. Right here. You know? Different little bowls. You know, look at this bowl. Right here. This one on sale. You got the price. So it looks like this one here, but it's gold and smaller. Yeah. It's more like a very cute. There. Little boxes over. Look at the apple and the banana. I like to eat apples and bananas. Alright, y'all, we in the area that I was looking for. And that's where the plants are. Ooh, so cute. These are really cute, guys. Aren't these cute? I really would like to have some of these. Find something to put them in. They're really cute. They are really cute. You get the ones that's real. So they're real. I want to try some. This is what the kids come to the store and do. You ain't raising them right if they don't come in here and play. They ain't got really nothing in the clearance aisle. In the clearance section, they see. They ain't got nothing back there. Who raised these kids? Huh? Look at them. These kids having a ball. Look at them. Look. Those kids come in the store and have a ball like this. I woke up blessed this morning. How about yourself? Yes, I woke up very blessed this morning, honey. And happy to see a brand new day. Yeah. Hey, I'm about to braid my niece's hair, my great niece. But listen, guys, I went shopping yesterday. I wanted to show you guys what I got yesterday from Ikea. So first, guys, I want to start with this right here. This is really cute, right? Like it looks different, guys. This is a iPad holder, guys. It's an iPad holder. So I'm gonna let you guys have a look. See, this is an iPad holder right here, guys. You can see in the front, it's like a ledge where you put the iPad or your phone or whatever it is you want. So guys, to me, it was just in time for you to sit here and hang out with your girl, okay? That's what I like, because now you here with me. Hey. So I bought 2 of these toilet brushes, and it's a little holder. I bought 2 of these. And then, guys, I bought another mirror. And I told you, I have one of these already. This one is breaking down on me. $3.99, guys. $3.99. Guys, I purchased some bed risers. They're pretty high, right? And they're sturdy. They're definitely sturdy. They were on sale, guys.
In the video.
No. Okay, guys, this is the plant I bought yesterday from Ikea. This is a real live plant. Look at it. It's beautiful, right? I bought this from Ikea with the basket. The plant was $19.99 and the basket was... Look, y'all, I ain't even look at the receipt, okay? I really didn't look at the receipt. So I don't know how much it was, but I thought it was really cute and it was what I needed, you know.
You just got by it or something. You just got by
I'm being held hostage with my phone with my boys.
The cheapest thing is
They playing Fortnite. My sons. That one right there. He playing with his brother, which is on the phone right there. His brother's on the phone right there. So they holding my phone hostage. I wanted to make a call, but I can't even make a call. But alright, y'all, I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Family, I hope y'all could see. I'm braiding my niece here. So I hope y'all could see. Alright, lovelies. This is my great niece. She opened up her gift, y'all. Then her auntie bought her. Look and see what you got in your bag first. I hope she be able to wear them. They rompers, y'all. Y'all saw these in the video. Ain't they cute? You like that?
Yes.
This phone going to Bluetooth.
Oh, they even got a headband to it. Okay, look y'all, they even got a headband to it.
What size are they?
5. And then what size you said she was?
I said size 6.
Yeah. These cute too. They even got a headband too. Oh my goodness. And you got a birthday card. And you get a birthday card. Alright. You can open that later when you get home, okay? Now, look at the rest of your toys, your gifts.
I don't know which one else going to Bluetooth.
I should have got her 7, 8 or something. Alright. What's that? That's a brush, yes. You could use it for your hair or for your doll hair, but it's real cute, ain't it? Look at that. What's that, girl?
That's cute.
Isn't that cute?
Oh, we just want to buy her one too.
For us.
A mannequin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like that? You want to do the mess out of her hair? She got makeup and stuff too. You see that?
That's nice. I
Mm-hmm.
like that. Well, she hooked you up, Lee.
Okay. All
You
right.
better thank her.
You're welcome.
She's like, let me get my stuff.
That's because I love you, okay? All right. Remember that. I'm going to get ready for bed, relax with the baby. Cause see, all this coming off. Okay, all of this. You see, all of this. All right, guys. Until next time, remember that I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it, baby. You can't stop me from loving you. So next time.